session. The Honorable Judge-elect presiding.
Please be seated.
Your Honor, today's case is the state of Kansas against Beryl Dukes.
Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Evidence duel.
Your Honor, I am representing the state of Kansas in this case to prove that on the day of April 20th of 2022, that the defendant, Beryl Dukes, was driving without a license.
Your Honor, I am Beryl Dukes, representing myself, Beryl Dukes, and I am going to prove today that I committed no such thing on April 20th of 2022. Prosecution, you may now call your first witness to the stand.
I call Beryl Dukes to the stand.
You're not my mom.
You're
not my mom! You can't tell me what to do! You're not my mom!
Get up there! Please place your left hand on the rule of man or the rule of law. Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Dukes, where were you on the evening of April 20th, 2022? Please don't forget that you were under oath, Mr. Dukes.
I was at my place of residence.
Did you leave your residence that evening?
Does it matter?
Mr. Dukes, please provide an answer.
Miss Dukes, please provide an answer. Fine, yes I did.
Thank you, Mr. Dukes. I would like to call on security video evidence of April 20th, 2022 from the parking lot of Mr. Dukes' residence.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
Mr. Dukes, have you ever had a driver's license?
Mr. Dukes, please answer the question.
Sounds right.
Your Honor, I believe my point will be made without Mr. Dukes' answer. Ladies and gentlemen, if you looked at submitted evidence A2, you will find DMV paperwork that shows Mr. Duke has never obtained or attempted to obtain a license in any state, therefore proving my point that Mr. Dukes here was driving without a valid license. I yield my time to the defense.
Your Honor, I'll move on. I'll make my next point. Okay then, ladies and gentlemen, today's main point is that I don't need to obtain licensure for my private property because it's my property. And I also don't need to obtain licensure because I'm a sovereign citizen who is not claimed by any country. So why would I need to obtain a license in a country that I don't belong to?
Mr. Dukes, you understand that you are in a court of law today, correct?
Am I here?
Mr. Dukes, I, as the presiding judge over this court, cannot accept the claim under the rule of law. No man or woman in this court is above the law, Mr. Dukes.
But I'm a sovereign citizen. I'm not a U.S. citizen. How can you rule over me with the U.S. law that applies to U.S. citizens if I'm not one?
I'm going to repeat this one more time. No man or woman in my court is above the law, Mr. Dukes. Your claim to make an exception to the law is going to be ignored today. Do you have any other evidence, Mr. Dukes?
Ma'am, this is unfair. I'm not a U.S. citizen. How can you commit this hearsay in this court of law?
Mr. Dukes, that is not what hearsay is. If you do not have anything else to say, I will be giving the trial to the prosecution.
Sounds right.